Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing something other than cooking. Although I haven't cooked in so long, I'm gonna be unboxing my BOXYCHARM. So I don't know if you guys know about BOXYCHARM. It's like a monthly subscription. I don't want to say the price of it. I'm just gonna put it into the thing at the bottom, the description. I'm gonna put it in the description box of the price and all that. So this is my April box right here. So we're gonna open it. My April box. So when you open it, pretty much looks like this. You get like a little misguided. You get a misguided coupon. And you get some other coupons. So I'm excited. All right, so first thing that's in my box is this is a Superfood by ELEMIS Calm Hydration Juice. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I'm not sure what it is. I guess, you know, it just, if you have dry skin, I guess it's good for your dry skin, you know, to moisturize it. So let's see what it feels like. It smells really good. It smells like, you know, it's giving me like aloe vera vibes, you know. It's kind of, it smells good. It's not too bad. It smells really good. Okay, next thing in the box is we have an iconic illuminator. I see a lot of YouTube girls use this, so I think this is something. I think this is something you put, I guess, under your makeup for like a glow, I guess. I don't know. I never used anything like this before. This is what it looks like. It's an illuminator. Let's see what it is. Maybe I'm supposed to rub it out. If y'all know how to use these things, please comment. That's what it looks like. So maybe I'm supposed to rub it out. I don't freaking know. Oh, I think it might be a highlighter. Low key. It might be a highlighter, you know. Let's see what it really is. It doesn't even say. So I might have to do some research on this one. But this is an iconic London illuminator. Next thing in my box is we have something called the POREFESSIONAL. It's a hydrate primer. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like right here, y'all. Let's open it. I guess this helps with pores. Yeah, it minimizes the looks of pores and fine lines. So we're gonna test this out, see what it's like. So I guess you just rub it up on your skin. It's an instantly moisturize and prime to help makeup. So interesting. This should be fun. Ooh. The next thing we have here is an iconic London again. This is a lip plumping gloss. Let's see what it's like. Interesting, because my lips like tingling. So I guess like I think one of my friends, they were explaining to me that it's supposed to like cause an allergic reaction, like kind of, you know, it's giving you the allergic reaction feels, so that your lips could get, I guess, bigger, more plump. It working? I don't know. But it feels good on my lips. It's like minty, tingly vibes. So I guess it's working. I don't know. But I think I'll work with this. I like it. Make my lips plump. The last thing that I have in my BOXYCHARM is it's called Illuminati. It's a gel paint electric pink. So I guess these are, I honestly don't know, gel paint electric. Let's open it. Okay, so I have pink and blue. So I'm guessing maybe it's eyeliner. I'm guessing. I'm getting like an eyeliner vibes. This would be cute. This will give off some really cool looks. This is how it looks. There we go. Yep. So that's all that I got in my BOXYCHARM this month. It's been some pretty cool things that I've been getting. I definitely would recommend maybe going up to the BOXYLUX or whatever, the next one up, because I actually love their products. For just a little bit for a month, you get products that's like 90 something dollars a piece, $50 a piece for only like 20 cents. So I don't know, I like it. Free stuff, pretty much, you know. You're really getting your money's worth with BOXYCHARM. And they did not pay me to say any of this. I really like BOXYCHARM. Yep, so that's my little YouTube video on BOXYCHARM. So I hope you liked it. I hope you are interested in getting BOXYCHARM. I recommend it. It's so fun. I always look forward to my BOXYCHARM. So stay tuned for more monthly BOXYCHARMs. Bye. So after recording, this paper I found in the box shows all the products I got and the prices. So that should help.